So today's topic, hello, I'm Pratik Nagpure, Assistant Professor of Agriculture and Technology. So today's topic about the integrated pest management in weeds. So in weeds, we have to control termites, cultural control, deep plowing of field during summer. 3 summer plowings at 10 days intervals reduces juvenile population. Apply well rotten farmyard manures only to discourage the termite infestation. Avoid late sowing of crop. Take 4 numbers of earthen pots or acres around the hole and put 500 maize gully without seed or 10 places in field of wheat crops. Put 1 kg of raw dung of cow for termite and shoot fly destruct the crop residue which form the sources of infestation. Use of crude oil emulsion to destroy the termite colony in the termitorium. Mechanical control: dismantle the termite area, that is termite mounds, around field and kill the termite queen. Biological control: apply neem cake at rate 80 kg per acre. Chemical control: thimethoxam, chlorpyrifos, and um, acephate as a soil application. In vegetative stage, common cultural practices provide irrigation at the critical stages of the crop, avoid water stress and manage water stagnation conditions, enhance parasitic activity by avoiding chemical spray when larval parasitoids are observed. Common mechanical practices, that is collection and destruction of the eggs and larvae, collect and destroy the diseased and insect infected plant parts. Use yellow sticky trap for aphids and blue sticky trap for thrips, 4 to 5 traps per acre. Use light trap at rate 1 per acre and operate between 6 pm to 10 pm. Install pheromone traps, that is 4 to 5 per acre, for monitoring adult moths activity. Replace the lures with fresh lures after every 2 to 3 weeks. Erecting of the bird perches, that is 20 per acre, for encouraging predatory birds such as king cow, common myna, etc. Set up bonfire during evening hours at 7 to 8 pm. Common biological practices, that is conserve natural enemies through the ecological engineering, augmentative release of natural enemies. So in aphids, cultural control, that is regular field monitoring of pest and defender population, barrier crops like mustard crop around the field, plant tall border crops like maize, sorghum or millet to reduce pest population. For others, follow common cultural practices. Biological control: conserve the natural enemies. Chemical, that is quinolphos 25% EC at rate 400 ml in 200 to 400 liter of water per acre of thimethoxam 25% Wg at rate 20 gram in 200 liter of the water per acre. That is pink bollworm. If we have to control in IPM, that is the last space that we have to control in wheat, that is pink borer. Cultural practices is bird perches at rate 10 per acre should be erected for facilitating fields visits of predatory birds. Other control measures same as aphid. Biological control: conserve the natural enemies. uh, and chemical control is dichlorophos 76% EC at rate 112.8 to 150.4 ml in 200 to 400 liter of water per acre. Thank you.